Storm Tracker weather starts now with Jason Laird.
Good morning, everybody. Tracking more in the way of wind here today. So we do have a winter weather advisory, not necessarily because we're looking at a ton of new snow. It's just going to be kind of blowing and drifting snow into north central Montana. Also, very dense fog being reported into northeastern Montana here bright and early this morning. Looking at the single digits as you're waking up into northeastern Montana, 26 in Great Falls, 22 in the capital. A couple of isolated flurries are going to kind of dance throughout the state here today. We should see daytime highs with those stronger winds getting up to about 38 in Great Falls. Same story for the capital. A little bit chilly though still in northeastern Montana, flirting with the 40s though throughout the eastern plains. So as I mentioned, we are going to stay kind of breezy today. Occasional gusts getting up to 30, maybe 40 miles per hour, and a couple of isolated flurries. The capital will have a better chance of seeing those flurries today. North central Montana should be windy enough that we'll see a lot of that system dry out. And then as the evening progresses, we're going to get a little batch of colder air settling into the state, and not only is that going to drop the temperatures pretty significantly here tonight, it is going to open up the door for a little bit of snow. We'll see those overnight lows fall to the teens in most locations, 15 in Great Falls, 19 in the capital, a couple of lingering 20s in northeastern Montana, and really not warming up much tomorrow at all as that colder air mass continues to settle in throughout the state. So tomorrow, again, that cold front tomorrow morning bright and early is going to continue to pass through the state. A couple little isolated flurries aren't out of the question, then clearing conditions as the day plays out once it's all said and done for snow. So basically through tomorrow morning, most areas in the lower elevations are only going to pick up an inch, if that. Capital will have a little bit better chance of maybe getting 1 to 3. Most of that snow is going to stay into the mountains, and honestly even the mountains are going to be more around 3 inches of overall accumulation. By Thursday we'll start to see those temperatures rebound a little bit back above freezing, but again the trade-off there is going to be more wind. Big story as we head through the weekend, keeping our eye on a cold front. That cold front's expected to bring some mountain snow this weekend, maybe a little hiccup in the temperatures, but overall it doesn't appear that any of that snow is going to make its way into the plains on Saturday or even Sunday for that matter. There might be a couple areas that see a quick little shot of rain or maybe a quick little flurry, but for the most part, a pretty insignificant cold front. And then some weak high pressure is going to try to rebuild as we head into next week, again, continuing to drive those temperatures. So with that said, here's how it all comes together over the next couple of days. 38 degrees and again, windy today, less wind tomorrow, but a lot cooler. And then we'll see those temperatures regain some strength as we head through the weekend. Again, can't rule out a quick little flurry on Saturday, but really for the most part, a lot of that system is going to remain over the mountains. In the capital here today, going to be looking at 38 degrees, couple off and on flurries through tomorrow morning, a little bit cooler again through Thursday, and then we'll rebound those temperatures back up to the 40s as we head through the weekend. Shannon.